Hey guys, this is Jordan Hetrick. In this video, I want to show you the differences between the GoPro Hero 10 and the GoPro Hero 9 so that if you're looking for a new camera, I can help you decide which one you should buy. I've been writing books about GoPro cameras since they first came out, so I know the ins and outs of all these features, all the upgrades and updates. So let me show you which features will be best for you. Let's check it out. First, let's just talk about the look of the video and the photos that you're going to create. So the Hero 10 has a lot of improvements in it to help you create better videos straight out of the camera. When I first saw the Hero 10's footage, I was super impressed. It's definitely the most realistic, lifelike GoPro footage I've ever seen, and I really love the quality of it. The Hero 9 is also great. It produces amazing quality, but there's just not the same clarity there that they've done with the Hero 10. So you'll notice in contrasty scenes, you get a lot more brightness in those shadowy areas on the Hero 10. And that's just going to make your videos look a little more even toned. Not quite like HDR, but just much better than the older GoPro videos. As far as stabilization goes, both of these cameras have really great built-in stabilization. So when you record your videos, the video is recorded, you've chosen your stabilization settings, and it's already ready to go. You don't need to bring it into an app to get the stabilization. It's just ready for you. So that's a really nice feature. And the stabilization is even better on the Hero 10. It's more smooth, which I didn't think was possible because the Hero 9 stabilization is really good too. But it is slightly better if you just want even that extra smoothness in your videos. Another factor that makes the stabilization better on the Hero 10 is they've improved the horizon leveling. So both cameras have a digital lens called linear plus horizon leveling, so that when you rotate your camera, the horizon will stay level. Now on the Hero 9, you can rotate to about 22 degrees in most of the settings, and the horizon will stay level. On the Hero 10, you can rotate it to 45 degrees with most of the settings, and at that point the camera is going to rotate. But this extra amount of rotation really allows you to get more kind of wild and get more crazy shots and still have that smooth horizon. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos on how to use your GoPro cameras. And let's check out some more about the differences between the Hero 9 and the Hero 10. As far as colors go, both cameras produce great colors. I'd say I like the colors a little bit better on the Hero 10, but no matter what, you're going to want to go in and probably edit colors a little bit when you go to edit your footage. Although a lot of times the colors are pretty great straight out of the camera. So the resolution, which is like the video file size on both of these cameras, is basically the same throughout the camera. They use the same sensor, but because they used a new processor, which I'll tell you about in a minute, on the Hero 10, they added a little bit more resolution. So the GoPro Hero 10 has 5.3K, whereas the Hero 9 has 5K video. Both are super high resolution videos and look really great. Now where the Hero 10 really stepped it up is on the slow motion frame rates. So when you want to record your videos to play back in slow motion, the Hero 10 has twice the amount of frames on all of the video resolutions. So say you want to record 5K video, on the Hero 9 you can only play it back at regular speed. On the Hero 10, you can play it back at 2 times or 2.5 times slow motion. And this goes throughout the cameras. For example, in 4K on the Hero 10, you can record 120 frames per second, and on the Hero 9, you can only record 60. So it's going to give you twice that slow motion when you play it back. So it just makes it easier when you're deciding on your settings. You don't have to kind of compromise between high resolution and high frame rates. You can get both on the Hero 10. And if you decide you want to go slower than the real slow motion allows you, I've got some really great tips in my book on how to do that. I've also got a video tutorial on my channel called Ultra Slow Motion. Check that out, it's a really cool technique. As far as low light, the Hero 10 is slightly better because of that more even color balance in the shadows and lights. But GoPro cameras aren't really designed for low light recording, and they don't really do that great. But the Hero 10 is slightly better. It also has a couple of video resolutions that use something called 3D noise reduction, that's going to kind of reduce the amount of grain in those shots. So that is a benefit for the Hero 10. As far as taking photos on these cameras, they have the same exact photo modes. The Hero 10 has slightly larger photo resolution at 23.6 megapixel compared to the Hero 9, which is 20 megapixel, but you're going to get similar photos out of both of these cameras. Now, because there is higher video resolution options on the Hero 10, if you want to pull stills from your video, you're going to get higher resolution stills out of the Hero 10 videos as opposed to the Hero 9 videos, which is pretty nice. You can get really high quality stills out of your videos. So you can get video and stills in the same shot. Now as far as audio, both of the cameras are the same. They're better than all of the previous GoPros and they're pretty good. You could use them for vlog shots, and even if you're out recording and you want to just record some audio straight with the camera's mic, they work pretty well. I can show you a little test here, recording with the camera mic. Hey guys, I just want to do a little audio sample for you. This audio is the Hero 10 Black, and this one is the Hero 9 Black. Both are with wind reduction set to off. If you want to improve that audio, you can actually add the medium mic to either one of these and use that microphone that's built into the medium mic, or you can add an external microphone on top of the camera, such as a shotgun mic. Now, which camera works better? So basically, the cameras are the exact same camera body. The front and back screens are on there. They're the same size, same weight. The Hero 10 just has that blue logo, and the Hero 9 has the gray logo. But besides that, everything else is the same. The Hero 10 inside, though, has a new processor, which is called the GP2. So it means that everything is a little zippier, such as turning on your camera using voice control and photo processing. Some of these things don't matter so much, some of them do. So like swiping and stuff is slightly quicker, but when you're processing a photo, say a batch of raw photos that you've taken in burst mode, that processing is going to be a lot quicker on the Hero 10 and allow you to start recording the next batch of photos more quickly. So you can decide if that matters to you. I think it's really useful to have that quicker processing time just so you're not waiting for your camera. Whichever camera you choose, I've got a getting started video for the Hero 9 and the Hero 10, which I give you a tour of the camera, and you can kind of see this all in action, see how this touchscreen works and see the speed of it. So definitely check that out on my YouTube channel, and it's also all in my book if you want to check that out. So the Hero 10 does come with a hydrophobic lens cover, and what that means is that little piece of glass in front of the lens here will repel water drops. So this is really nice. It sounds minor, but it's actually a really useful feature so you don't get water drops on front of your shots. Now this hydrophobic lens cover can also fit on the Hero 9. So if you decide to get the Hero 9, you can just go buy that lens cover and put it on there. But that's going to get you closer to price than the Hero 10 already, so you might as well probably get the Hero 10. Unless you've already got a Hero 9 and you want to just go ahead and buy a lens cover and keep using that camera. They also use the same accessories, which is really nice because that means the accessories for the Hero 10 are already designed and ready to go since people came out with them for the Hero 9. Or if you just want to upgrade your camera, you can keep all your accessories, sell your Hero 9 used, and buy a new Hero 10. So you won't have to buy the accessories twice. As far as overheating goes, yes, both of these cameras can overheat, especially if you set them down on a desk and you just record a long clip at the highest resolutions. I haven't ever had the cameras overheat with me out in real life recording because I like to record shorter clips, and also I am out with airflow and in the water, just getting more movement around the camera. It won't overheat as easily. But because the Hero 10 has higher video resolutions and frame rates, it will overheat more quickly when you use those than the Hero 9. You might want to think about how you record your videos. You can always switch to a lower resolution. It's not going to overheat as quickly. As far as battery life, the Hero 10 definitely uses battery more quickly, especially when you use those high video resolutions with the slow motion frame rates. You know, it's just recording a lot more frames at those high resolutions, so it definitely uses battery really quickly. GoPro is coming out with a new battery called the Enduro that I did a little video on, so check that out. But that has more battery life, so it's going to help you get longer clips with your Hero 10, and it's also compatible with your Hero 9, so you get longer battery life out of that too. Both work with the GoPro Quick app. The Hero 10 is faster at offloading your footage if you're transferring wirelessly, but you can use a cable with both and transfer the most quickly that way. As far as price, on GoPro's website, the Hero 10 Black is listed at $500 and the Hero 9 Black is listed at $450. So there's just a $50 difference there, but that's not really the real price because GoPro always has it on sale. Basically, the Hero 10 on GoPro's website costs $400 and the Hero 9 costs $350. So those both come with a free year subscription to GoPro. You can also check on Amazon because they sometimes have it on sale too. Just check for yourself and find the best price and the best deal. But there's not a huge price difference. So as far as price goes, I'd definitely recommend paying the little extra to get the latest technology. So whichever camera you choose, either one's going to be able to create amazing videos. When the Hero 9 came out, it was awesome. The Hero 10's even better, but both of them are great filmmaking tools. They're small, they're rugged, they're waterproof. You can throw them in your pocket, pull them out when you want to record live, and they're ready to go. Plus, they store videos on a MicroSD card, so you can fill it up with your videos and photos. And even if you fill up that card, you can swap it out with a new one and just keep recording. You can also use the built-in stabilization to record amazing cinematic shots right out of the camera. You can record in-camera video transitions. All of these things I teach you about in my books, so check those out. I love to teach you, so let me teach you what you need to do to create the best content possible. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, it'll help other people find it so they can decide which camera to get too. Thank you so much for watching. Let's keep in touch and have fun GoProing.